Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinomi wallet on PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Coinomi wallet on PC, first make sure that you've downloaded the wallet on a computer. If not, open up a web browser and in the search box type in Coinomi wallet download, and on the next page click on this link that says download Coinomi and this will take you to the download page. Go ahead and click the download link at the top right hand corner. In order to download Coinomi for your device, the app is available for Android, iOS and a desktop. Select one of the links according to your device and make sure to complete the download process. Once you download Coinomi wallet, click it open. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see these two options. You can create a new wallet or restore an existing wallet. To log into an existing wallet, click on Restore a Wallet button. Now you'll need to type in the recovery phrases that you previously backed up for your Coinomi wallet. Go ahead and type it in the correct order. After you type in all of the recovery phrases in the correct order, click on OK. Now, enter the password in order to secure your wallet. Type in a password in the first text box and repeat the password again in the next field. Now click on OK, and on the next page, select the coin you'd wish to use with the wallet. Click on the boxes in front of the coin you'd like to select and click Next. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Coinomi wallet on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.